Welcome to the Action News. I'm sick of Survivor. These are the headlines. Psychic convention canceled due to unforeseen circumstances. Now it can be revealed Shakespeare's plays were written by a neighbor named Skip. You don't know him.
You don't know him. You don't know him. I'm a daddy.
Would you like a cracker? There's a cracker. That's a good co-anchor. Now it's time to throw it over to our sports desk with Wayne. Wayne, what do we have in store for us this weekend?
In today's sports, it appears that the bucket's a chicken. I'ma turn your little squawky ass into chicken. I just want to use a second to pontificate, because the sports are not what they used to be. I was the one to. So have respect. That's all I'm saying. If you have feet, back to you. I'm okay. I'm a part-time stuntman.
This just in, the state of Texas officially changes its name to Y'all Ain't Squat.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Well, if there's one good turn, it deserves another, and it's time to turn to weather. Let's find out if the skies are going to be cloudy or sunny. What's going on over there, Ryan?
Ryan? Who are you calling Ryan? I am the great Roy! We have a spectacular weekend in store, isn't that right, Siegfried? Yes!
Yes,
We'll have rain, but in the summer, we'll be back! Back!
Back.
Back! Back! Ah! Oh my God, what's happened to you? The lions come after us! I know, what shall we do? Give them something else!
Ta-da.
Back to you!
Thank you, and it didn't even cost $75. Well, that's all the time we have for the news tonight. Tonight on Nightline, Ted Koppel's special guest, Satan, the Lord of Darkness. That's all the time we have. Good night.
You guys' impressions are getting better and better.
I know.
And Wayne sounded like if Bill Cosby and Richard Pryor had a kid.
It's me.
Treasure see.
Because sometimes you put the little liquor inside the jello.
I've been doing Jello shots. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Sorry.